Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to capture leads on Facebook ads. And I'm not only just going to run through this real quickly because I've done this a million times, I'm actually going to be walking my friend Sammy step by step. That way, every mistake that you can possibly make, he'll possibly make, and that way you can learn from each other. So stay tuned and enjoy. All right, so what I'm going to do today is I'm basically going to walk you through all the steps instead of me doing it on my end and having you follow. I'm going to guide you through every step, okay? So what I'm going to want you to do is share your screen. I already have this down to a science. I'm going to have you create one from scratch. Do you see where it goes in campaigns? Click campaigns, and then you're going to click on create a new one. You see that green button that says create? Do that. And then you're going to pick the consideration would be lead form. Go down. Oh, yeah, you got to pick that too. Always hit the special ads category. And housing. Yeah, housing is perfect, yes. And now you're going to click on lead generation. And then go down and you're going to name it. Scroll down all the way down. You see where it says lead generation? You can name it today's date or Sammy's buyers, whatever you want to call it. And then copy it before you hit next, okay?
Gotcha.
Because you're going to name your ad set and your ad the same thing. So copy that. Now, normally I would do A/B testing to run the ads against each other. But I've already run them so many times, I know it works.
Gotcha.
So I'll save you the money.
Appreciate it.
No problem. Now, you can put your daily budget. I suggest no less than $10 a day. You can stop it whenever you're inundated, but you know, whatever you want to put.
Cool. We'll keep it 10 for the training purpose.
Yeah, go continue. All right, now paste the ad set name. Good. Okay. Now, is the Facebook page under the one you want?
Yep.
All right. Go to view terms just in case you've not accepted the terms. Some people get caught up on this part and they can't figure out why their ad's not running. Okay. It looks like you've already accepted the terms, so you're good. You can X out of this. Yeah. Close the tab. Perfect. Scroll down.
You know, I did get caught up on that.
It happens. Scroll down. All right, so now we're going to create an audience. So go down. All right, so your audience, go up a little bit. Okay, we're not gonna use a custom audience, or we're gonna create one from scratch. So go and see where it says location. Click on location. Yeah, we're gonna edit that. And it's not gonna allow you to go any closer than 15 miles around any specific area. So what area do you want to target?
Okay. For the first ad, let's do it by county.
Yeah.
So let's do Essex County, Union County, Middlesex County.
All right, so pick Newark because that's like the center of like Union and Essex County.
Okay.
So type in Newark, New Jersey. There you go. And erase the one that says United States. Click, yeah, erase that one because it's going to run in the entire United States for you as well. Oh, no, you know what? I think you need to leave that. Sorry. Yeah, so type in there. Yeah, type in Newark, New Jersey. There you go. Perfect. Awesome. Now, keep it at 15 miles. That's enough data. You're going to scroll down to where it says age. You see there where it says age? You can't mess with that anymore. Normally, you would have been able to say 30 years and older, so that's going to just stay the way it is. So if anyone wants to change it, they can't. Gender, you can't change that either. But you can change the detailed targeting. So let's go into the demographic section. Click on that. I'm going to edit it. And the first thing we're going to type in is Zillow. Okay, so click on interest. And good. Now go to suggestions. And now just pick everything else under there. TruliaHomes.com, house hunting. Click on suggestions again.
Then work your way down.
Yeah, work your way down. I'd say a good 20 or until they start not being relevant. You want to focus on interest and not on job titles because you might click on real estate agent and you might attract real estate agents to see your ad. We want to stay away from those because we want to target people that are looking for a home, not people who are in the real estate business. Now, the reason we do this is because we want to target our audience correctly and we want to try to get those leads down as cheap as possible. I've seen my leads at one point hit 97 cents per lead, which is insane compared to what you pay for on Zillow and Julia and Realtor.com. It's insane how much you pay. Yeah, I think you should be good. You got a lot. Yeah, you got a lot of good ones in there. All right, so click out of that. We're going to scroll down. And we'll leave the automatic placements alone. That's fine. You don't have to mess around with manual placements. It does a better job doing it automatically than we do. All right, you want to scroll down and go to continue. Okay, we're going to paste the information we have on the ad name. Click on single video or a single image or video. You see where it says carousel right now? Click on the one that says single video. There you go. On the right, that one. Yeah, since it was clicked on carousel, it was coming up that it was supposed to be 2 videos. All right, good. All right, now let's try to go to turn into video. Yeah, they're always changing this stuff.
Yeah, the 100%.
Yeah. Scroll and let's see if we can reorder images. Maybe add images. You see to the left where it has a plus sign.
Yep.
Yeah, let's see if we can pick them now. Yeah, get rid of that one. Now add the other 4. Now the only thing you want to do is, since it has a script over it, you can type something into the script.
All right, so what do you think? Square, vertical?
The square works best because it works on all platforms. Good. So now scroll down and just confirm. I think you have to scroll all the way down. There you go. Customize. Perfect. Your text can be homes under 250,000 or something like that. And even though they're going to buy a home that's more than 250, everyone clicks on something that says 250K.
Gotcha.
Cool. Done. Okay. Use video. Yeah. All right, perfect. Now you should be able to get this puppy running. We just got to put the text back in like I showed you earlier.
Display. Link. Oh.
Don't worry about that. All right, and then change that to learn more. Perfect. Scroll down. And now you're going to create a form. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Go to new form. Don't worry about the first section. Scroll down, take the intro off. You see where it says intro optional? Take that off. Now go to questions. Yeah, so it's already going to ask them for their email and their full name, which is information that Facebook already has, so they don't even have to type anything in. So go to add category. You see down? Yeah. You're going to go to contact fields, and you're going to go to phone number. And I also like to know where my leads are coming from, so go back to that, go to contact fields, and go to city and state. The rest of the information I really don't care too much about, so you can just leave it as that. Scroll down. Okay, now privacy policy. So you probably don't have a privacy policy unless you have one in your We Buy NJ Homes website. I'm not sure if you've created one for that. If you didn't, we can just grab the privacy policy from our KV Core. Okay, if someone doesn't know how to find their privacy policy, it's always on the bottom, on the footer of their website, of the website that KV Core gives you. Privacy policy? Yeah, absolutely.
Yes. We have one.
Okay, then copy that URL. You see that URL at the top?
Yep.
Copy that. And then go back to your ads manager. You paste it where it says link URL to your privacy policy. Don't worry about that then. Type in privacy policy there. Yeah, and up top, just type in privacy policy. And thank you screen. You see where it says button type, it says view website. We don't want it to say view website. You go down. It's okay, leave that. You go to button text. All capitals. I want you to put in C, free list now. Okay, now we want to redirect them to your CRM. So since you haven't set up your CRM yet, what I'm going to need you to do is the following. Okay, so put in your website for WeBuy. Good. Now go up to the top and save, and then finish. Perfect. All right. Questions for some reason is coming up. Please let people know how the information they give you will be used. Type in a message there. Your information will be used to aid you in finding a home. Okay, now save and finish. Awesome. Let's go ahead and scroll all the way down.
All right, cool.
And yeah, I think you can go down to the bottom and hit it's in review. Good.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So once it's approved, you're good to go. You'll start to get leads right away. You won't know you're getting leads unless you log into your ads manager and see how many results you have. So what your leads are going to look like is basically like this. All right, you see it's going to come in as your ad, and you can see how many impressions we've had, how many people we've reached, how many leads we've gotten. These are results, right? So once we go into this tab that says ads, we're going to see results in this section here. We'll see how many leads we actually got. I had this set on $40 a day. We spent about $2,000, and it usually gives you like a ranking or how well you're doing. So that'll be somewhere in this section. It'll kind of, before it used to give you a relevancy score. It doesn't give you that anymore. Now it tells you whether it's performing above average, average or below average. It'll tell you something like that. So what we want to see here is how cheap we're getting our ads. So I had about $1.37 per lead. So what you'll do is you'll click here, and it'll ask you, how do you want to see your leads? You can download them, or you can export them. So normally you just want to download them, get them to a CSV file. And then once you're in the CSV file, you can put them on drip campaigns. You can do whatever you want. It's very simple to maneuver from there. As you can see, they pop up like this. They're just loading. So they'll show up like this. You see?
Mm-hmm.
And then to the right, you get the info that you're really looking for, the phone number, the full name, the email. And the beauty of it is that they don't have to type in anything because Facebook already has this data on them. So all they do is click submit, and by them hitting the submit on the form to get their list, their information gets auto-populated by Facebook, which is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. And then when you want to see the information, you just download it like I showed you just a few seconds ago.
Now, have you looked into like or actually done where you actually put how more like a questionnaire, like how soon are you looking to move or buy, purchase a home, or what price range you're looking for? Have you been pre-qualified, like an actual questionnaire?
No, I don't create the questionnaire because less is more when you're trying to get their information. But the first text that goes out to them is exactly that. The first text that's programmed in my drip campaign says, "Thank you for reaching out. Your list has been sent to you by email, and we would also like to ask you, are you looking to buy within the next 30, 60, or 90 days?" I make it a little bit more simpler than that and more to the point. So the first question goes out asking that by text. So when you ask someone a question that's open-ended, it's very unlikely for people to answer you. But when you ask someone, are you looking to buy within the next 30, 60, or 90 days, it takes very little brain power for them to say 30, 60, and 90, or no, never. You understand? So yeah, that's the questions that I would normally ask in the questionnaire. They go out in my drip campaign. And then the people who respond back are the people I contact.